Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the bold subtitles on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option on the left side on the screen and go to the settings icon. Scroll down and in the access settings section, tap to the subtitles option. In the subtitles font size section, you can find the bold subtitles option, and if you want to enable, just click to the next square icon and new the bold subtitles is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.